Yeah, so check this out, right? It was like 2 weeks before I went to United. I knew my schedule was going to conflict. I tried to make it work, but I couldn't because of my schedule conflictions. So I typed up a letter and I said, I'm sorry to inform you, I am no longer going to be working on such and such a date. Printed 2 copies, right? Sent one to my employer and I kept one for myself. They delivered it to HR. You know what they said? I was a no-call, no-show. Not only that, when I went to return my uniform, which I was supposed to get $200 back, because I paid for it out of my uniform check, they said, you're not getting it back because you were no-call, no-show. But thank you anyway for our stuff back. I was like, fuck you. So yeah, come non-rehirable. Go figure. Fuck them.